Hello and thank you to everyone who following my future success. Guys, this is an entire tutorial video where if you are new to futures trading or if you've been trading for a while, this is going to show you exactly how not only I set up my charts on TradingView, how I set up my take profit accounts, how I go through Tradovate. This is every single step that you need to choose to literally mimic what I'm doing each day. And guys, so far for the last almost 3 weeks to a month, if we go to this range here on the performance that I've had, I'm showing you exactly how so far I've been able to go 20 winning trades, 0 losses, taking out just over $6,000, $6,400 in just less than a month. Guys, this video is something you're going to want to save right now, but let's dive into this from top to bottom. Guys, on the left side over here, this is TradingView. Now on TradingView, when you end up joining through us, what I want you guys to do to start off with this, do it in this section. My Future Success, you guys can get direct access to this in the description below of this video. This is lifetime access. You never pay any service fees at all or monthly, and it's for life. Every upgrade that I do on these metrics, you're going to get a free upgrade. Never charge for any more. Also, one-on-one training. If you guys are wanting to do one-on-one trainings, please reach out to me by email and I can set something up for you right away. All members get 50% off this. Now, you guys, when you click I want this is going to go through a purchase page. When you go to the purchase page, you're going to be given an email through Gumroad that's going to give you a source code. Okay, it's also got a video showing you exactly how to apply that source code here on TradingView, but I want to show you here as well. So on the bottom here, what you can do is when you go over to TradingView, there's a section down here called Pine Editor. What I want you to do is open Pine Editor and delete everything within this box. I want you to then go over to the source code that's been downloaded on your computer and copy everything from top to bottom and then paste it into this field. Once you have that pasted, just click Add to Chart. This is then going to populate and show exactly like this. Dashboard and the main buy and sell signals. I'm going to delete this one since I already currently have it on my chart. Now that that's on there, this is all set up. What you are looking at right here is where all the magic with this system comes through. That's literally giving amazing results, literally 85 to 90 to sometimes 100% win rates during the day to a lot of our members. On the dashboard here, real quick to go over this, this is showing overall where buying and selling pressures in the market. This is your buying pressure. Typically, that's when you want to be getting in for price to increase. This is your selling pressure. That's when price starts to decrease. Now, on the 1 and 2 minute time frames, I have this set up specifically for me to take out 5 points on the 1 minute time frame and 10 points on the 2 minute time frame. To adjust this, go to your settings here, and I want you to type in, if you're trading the 2 minute time frame, adjust this to 20. That's going to be going for 5 points. You'll see this adjust over here. See how that came down? That is the target from entry to exit. That is where you need to go to be getting the 5 points. Now, if we're trading on the 2 minute time frame, you can switch over to 2 minute. All you have to do is then go over here and change this from 20 to 40. Simple as that. And it'll show you the targets and every single time that ended up getting populated and hit on your charts. So just like that, you are able to get these entries that are exactly how I show you on my live educational videos every single week. Now, you guys, this is one screen. This is TradingView. This is a TradingView browser that I have open that I've just minimized and brought over to about 2/3 of my screen. On TradingView, I want you guys to know as well, the package that I use, if we go to accounts and billing, let's go ahead and leave this page. I have the essential package, which is just one up from basic that I pay each month, and I have CME data. So this is the package that I have here. It's essentials. I have this, which is next time it's on 29th. Actually, this is the plan above that. Just do the essential package. You don't need to do anything higher, and just have CME data, which is just going to give you, excuse me guys, let's go over here. CME data, which is going to give you just everything you need to actually have futures. This is right here, CME data. So go ahead and do those two things and your chart will be able to populate right away. Let's go and bring this back over to NQ. Now, you guys, I trade through Take Profit Trader. This is probably one of the best experiences. It actually is the best experience I've ever had through a prop firm account that I've ever traded with. And this is exactly how you're going to do that. If you head over to Take Profit Trader, I want to show you guys here. I'll go and bring up a browser. This is what it's going to look like. This is their website. Go ahead and log in and create an account. Once you create an account, you're going to be given a page that looks like this. Let me go and blow this up here for you guys. And it's going to give you an option to choose on which account you want to purchase. For example, I did 150K. If you guys choose this 150K, go ahead and click next. This top one here is what I use. I use NinjaTrader and Tradovate. I specifically use Tradovate, and it's actually the recommended one. If I go here to next, what I want you guys to do is in this promo, do not pay the full amount for this ever. If you type in here, my future success, this is going to apply, and it may not do right now because it says it's my own coupon code. The current deal they have right now, as I'm making this video, it's 40% off, and you never pay an activation fee ever. That's the deal going on right now as I'm making this video. I will update in the description of my videos exactly what the current deal is, but that is exactly how you want to populate it. Now, what you're going to be given right after purchasing this and applying is going to be a user ID and password that you simply want to go over to Tradovate and type in as the user ID and password. It'll then bring up all of your accounts here and populate it on the top. So this is the pro account that I have right now that you guys have been watching me. To get your charts to look exactly like this in just the DOM, if there are other charts on your screen, I want you to get rid of those. If you go up to the top left here of your screen, you're going to see a plus button, and I want you to choose Super DOM. Super DOM is what's going to be illuminated, and that's what's going to give you a screen that looks exactly like this. All you have to do is type into the symbol NQ if you want to be following along, or actually just trading the same NQ market, and choose the first one. That'll give you the best contract. Now when you're on here, I like to set brackets for my trading. So let's go ahead and minimize this. Let's say I'm trading here on the 2-minute time frame. If I'm on the 2-minute time frame and I have this set down here to 40, I want to make sure this number matches what I have over here. Now again, you guys, this is just a separate browser that is minimized and brought over to the right side of my screen. That simple. And then I just go like this, and now I have, for me, the best of both worlds. Tradingview for the metrics, Tradovate to actually place the trades. Now, the settings. If you go to the bottom of this, there's going to be a settings button that you can click and bring up. It's called ATM settings. You want to click this to on, and you want this to be the tick value. As long as this number over here, 40, matches this number on the take profit, perfect. Let's say you're trading the 1-minute time frame. What are you going to change this to? 20 and 20. So this is saying anytime that you were to get a buy or sell signal, for example, right here, you get that signal, money stayed above our profit wave, exit out, right when profit crosses above, that's when this is going to cross above, and it's going to exit you out immediately. When I enter trades, this is exactly what I do. I will do this, and you guys can see this on my videos, right at the end of this candle for 2 minutes. I will literally count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I will enter in immediately as this candle closes. What I do is I just go over here, and if I'm doing buy, I will buy market, click that immediately, and it'll automatically pre-fill and put a target up here of 5 or 10 points, and it'll close me out immediately. I have the stop loss that is set on there to 120. Will that 120 get hit? It's honestly just there for me, so I have to have an input. I am 100% profit wave driven that you guys see in my videos. This is where I have traders that are taking out multiple points in the market each day. This is your buy signal. If you guys do my one-on-one trainings, this is where some traders are taking out 37 to 50 to sometimes over 100 points in a given trade. So guys, this is Tradingview. This is Tradovate. The settings, again, to recap this, over here is going to be either 20 on the 1 minute or 40 on the 2 minute, and I have 120 stop loss here. You go ahead and do save. Take profit accounts are linked up here. So if you can have up to 5. So if you purchase 5 take profit accounts, this is going to list all of them below here. You can then trade your accounts directly on this platform by just buying and selling and choosing the number of contracts that you choose when you get a buy or sell signal on this side. I hope you guys found a lot of education in this video. This is exactly how I set up everything from start to finish from purchasing to loading the source code directly on a TradingView, the 2 browsers that I use, the ATM strategy, how to change the settings for take profit on both 1 and 2 minute time frame, and literally just buying and selling the market and having the automatic trading system do all the work for us afterwards. Guys, if you have any questions on anything else here, please give me an email. To book one-on-one trainings, please do so. And in the meantime, if you guys haven't done so already, join in an amazing, growing, fast community that is seeing so much success. Take a look over here at 82, because the 85-star reviews of people that have seen such amazing success, and see if any of this actually resonates with yourself on here. I could just keep going down here for days and days, but let me know if you guys have any questions. But this is literally accessible within seconds of purchase, and you can see your charts transform immediately in one click to get these buy and sell signals that I am showing you guys every single day, which has completely transformed so many lives. All right, guys, take care. God bless. Have a good one.